Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part 5 of question number 4, and in this question it says that the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increased by 67 square units. You have to find the dimensions of the rectangle. It says that let the length of the rectangle be x and breadth be y. So obviously its area should be xy because we know that the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So its area should be xy. And now what you have to do is you have to reduce the length by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. So its area will be reduced by 9 square units. So we are supposing let the length be equals to x units and the breadth be equals to y units. So obviously the initial area, or you can say the original area of a rectangle is length into breadth, so the area should be x into y units square. And in first case it is given that the area reduces by 5 if the length is reduced by 5 units. So obviously our new length should be equals to x minus 5 and the breadth is increased by 3 units. So our breadth should be equals to y plus 3. So our new area should be length into breadth. So the new area is x minus 5 multiplied by y plus 3. And it says that the new area is reduced by 9. The new area is actually 9 less than the previous, or you can say the original area. So the new area, if equated with the original area, this new area is 9 less than the original. So if we subtract 9 from the original, so these two areas must be equal. So we have the equation we have to solve. First of all, open this bracket. So x multiplied by y is xy, x multiplied by 3 is 3x. Similarly, 5 multiplied by y is 5y, and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. And here it is x minus y minus 9. This xy can be cancelled out, because when this xy shifted to this side, so this positive will become negative and negative can be cancelled out. So I am cancelling directly. When this minus 15 shifted to that side will become positive, and the equation will become this positive and shifted to that side. So 15 positive and minus 9. So the result will be 6. So this is our first equation. In second equation it says that if we increase the length by 3, so in this case our length is x plus 3 and we have to increase the breadth by 2 units, means the new breadth will be y plus 2. So obviously our area should be length into breadth, and in this case the area is increased by 67 square units, means this new area is 67 more than the original area, which is xy. So obviously if you have to equate these, what you have to do is you have to add 67 to the original area, so that these two values can be equated, or you can say these two values become equal. Again solve it. This is xy, this is 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equals to xy plus 67. Again this xy can be cancelled out. Equation becomes 2x plus 3y. This 6 when shifted to that side will become negative, and 67 minus 6 is 61. So this is our second equation. Now you have to solve these two equations, equation first and equation second. For that you have to equate any of the coefficients. So I am writing it here. This is 3x. If you want to equate the coefficient of y, so the coefficient of x, y here is 3 and here is 5. So these can be equated at 15, or you can say if I multiply this by 3, this will become 15, and if I multiply this by 5, this will become 15. So these equations can be equated by multiplying this equation by 3 and this equation by 5. Multiplying this equation with 3, this will become 9x, because 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. This is 15y and this is 18. I am multiplying this equation by 3 and multiplying this equation by 5. This will give 10x plus 15y is equals to 5 ones are 5, 6 5s are 30, and you have to simply add them because the equation is already easily solved. So 10 plus 9 is 19x. This is 5 plus 8 is 13, 1, 2, and this is 323. So the value of x must be equals to 323 upon 19. If we cancel this, this is 19. I'm solving it here. This is 19. You have to divide this 323. So 19, 1, 19, and the remainder is 12. Minus 9 is 3, and this is 1, so 3. And if you multiply, this is 7 9s are 63. Carry 6, and 7 in 1 is 7 plus 13 is plus 6 is 13. So this can be cancelled 17 times. So our answer, or you can say the length of the rectangle should be equals to 17 units. And if you substitute this value in any of the equation, you will be able to find the value of y. So substitute this equation in this value. So 17 when substituted in this value, so this will become, the equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 61, and when you substitute x is equals to 17, so this is 2 multiplied by 17, this is 34, this is 3y, this is 61. You can shift this to this side, this will become 3y, 61 minus 34, 11 minus 4 is 7, 5 minus 3 is 2, this is 3y. So the value of y is this, when cancelled out, is 9. So in this case, the breadth of this rectangle must be equals to 9 units. So this is how you can solve this particular question. Thank you.